Hello, good you're watching this video. Today is May 8th and therefore I show you 8 theory questions. And if you want to pass at the CBR in one go, then go to theorycourse.com and order your video course over there. Question number 1. The lorry is coming towards you. What should you do? Is it answer A, reduce speed and stop on the verge? Is it answer B, reduce speed and continue at a walking pace on the verge? Or is it answer C, stay on the right side of the road and let the oncoming lorry use the verge? Well, answer C, I don't think a lorry will drive into the verge, so answer C you can throw away. Then we only have answer A and B. And if you choose answer E, you stop in the verge and it's a very soft verge, and you want to drive away, your wheels are spinning, but you don't move any further. And the hole you're in, you make it deeper and deeper and deeper, and then you have to wait for a tractor to pull you out. So answer A is not the right choice. And answer B is the right choice at the CBR. Question number 2. You want to turn left and have to stop for the oncoming traffic. What is the best position for the front wheels? Answer A, the front wheels you turn to the right. I don't know why, because you don't want to turn right, so answer A is not good. Answer B, the front wheels straight ahead. Or answer C, already turn the front wheels slightly to the left so you can easily drive away. And I know many driving instructors instruct you to do so. But if you do that on your practical exam, you will not pass the test because your front wheels must stay straight ahead. If something went wrong, for example, your feet slips off the clutch, then the car goes straight. But if something went wrong and the wheels are turned to the left, then you go to the left, and that's not a funny place to be. So, front wheels always straight ahead. Answer B, that's the right answer. Question number 3. What type of road surface will increase the braking distance? Answer A, your braking distance only becomes longer on a wet road surface. And here we see bij nat wegdek. And bij nat wegdek means wet road. Answer B, your braking distance only becomes longer with a new road surface. And here you see a yellow sign, it says nieuw wegdek, new road surface. Langere remweg, longer braking distance. So answer E is right in any case. And then answer C, your braking distance will be longer both on a wet road surface and on a new road surface. And of course, if the road is wet due to snow or rain or whatever, your braking distance increase. So the right answer C. Question number 4. What's the speed limit for the tractor on this road? Is it 25, is it 40 or 45 kilometers per hour? We see we drive inside the built-up area and there can be bicycles on the carriageway. And if you drive inside the built-up area and bicycles can and may drive on the carriageway, the speed limit is 25 kilometers per hour. If there are separate bicycle paths on the side of the road, so no bicycles on the carriageway, then the speed limit for the tractor is 40 kilometers per hour. And outside the build-up area, then the speed limit for the tractor is always 40 kilometers per hour. Question number 5. You want to turn left. Is your position on the road the right position? Yes or no? For me, it's okay, but for the CBR, they say no, because your place on the road is as far as right as possible. And you see on the image 2 empty lanes, and the CBR wants you to drive in the right lane. If you see an image at the CBR with 1, 2, 3, 4 or more lorries on the right lane, then you can drive in the left lane. But if they're both empty, you must drive in the right lane. CBR can also ask you want to turn left and immediately left again. And then your position on the road is the right position. Question number 6. You drive 90 kilometers per hour. About how many meters do you cover in 1 second? Answer A 25, answer B 45, answer C 75. And in a video a few days ago, I told you that if you want to know how many meters, you divide the speed by 4. So 90 by 4 is 22.5. And 10% of 22.5 you add to the 22.5. So it's about 25 meters in 1 second. Question number 7, a priority question. You want to turn left, must you give way to this pedestrian, yes or no? Well, some people on YouTube also say if you leave a erf, a home zone, or if you drive into a erf, a home zone, then you must give way to all other traffic. But that is not right. With other words, that's bullshit. Only if the erf is made as an exit, with the curbs or with the curb stones, from this side to this side, then it's an exit or an entry. And in this case, it's a normal junction. And at a normal junction, there is one rule. It says drivers from the right has priority. And second rule, traffic goes straight on the same road, goes first before turning traffic on the same road, and the short turn goes before the long turn. So we have no drivers from the right, we have no oncoming straight going traffic, and also there is not anyone from the opposite side who is turning right. So must we give way to the pedestrian? No, we have not. Today, May 8, 8 questions. So this is the final question, or the priority question. What is the correct order of giving way? We see a motorcycle, a car and a bicycle. And many people at the CBR says the bicycle goes first because he's coming from the right. But the bicycle is not coming from the right, he's on the same road as the white car. Here is the right side for the white car and there is no bicycle. So, motorcycle is from the left, he's the last one. And the car is going straight on the same road as the bicycle, so the white car is the first one. And if the white car is gone, then it's the bicycle, because motorcycle is from the left, he is the last one. And if you do the test at the CBR, you don't have to fill in first number 1, then number 2, then number 3. Let's start again. Empty 1. You see, motorcycle is from the left, so he is the last one. You can also put number 3 first on the motorcycle, and then you have only 2 choices. Okay, 8 questions. May 8, no more questions for this video. See you the next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Ciao. Adios.